I can't eat shrimp, but I could definitely cook it. And today I'm going to show you a nice, easy recipe. Quick and easy, but real delicious. You know why I just do it? Right flavors, the right ingredients to build great flavor. So we're doing it quick and easy today. I have my shrimp here, deveined and cleaned. I have herbs here, some spice, and of course, Angostura bitters up in here as well. I'm using the aromatic as well as the orange bitters. Listen, easy thing, quick thing, but trust me, this is gonna be delicious. So the first thing we wanna do is season the shrimp. Typical Trini thing, you're seasoning up seafood, your inclination might be to season it with lime. And of course, less lime had to go in there, a little citrus will be nice. But if you put lime into the shrimp right now, the citric acid from the lime will start to cook the shrimp, and we don't want that. We only want the shrimp to start to cook when it reaches in the pan. So refrain from liming your shrimp. It's similar to, I guess, when you're making ceviche. And you make ceviche, you just put your lime or your lemon juice on your shrimp and you let it kusume and then just cook the shrimp. But we don't want that. We want the shrimp to start to cook now because we don't want a rubbery shrimp. So don't season with your lime at this point. You can put the lime in the pot. So here, we're just doing a little bit of salt. And of course, there's salt to taste. A bit of black pepper. For heat, I'm going in with some chili powder. And then for that rich Trini flavor, some Angostura aromatic bitters. So a few dashes. And for that citrus flavor, without cooking the shrimp, we add in some Angostura orange bitters. So let's give this a little toss. And you want to make sure that the shrimp is room temperature because if it's cold, then when it goes into the pot, it'll have to come up to room temperature and then start to cook. And that's how you end up sometimes with rubbery shrimp. Things that don't take long to cook, if you're cooking shrimp, fish, you're doing like steak and that kind of thing, the rule of thumb really is to have it at room temperature when you're about to cook it because it gives you more precise cooking time as to the required amount of time that it takes to cook this. If you have it straight from the fridge, as I said before, it will have to come up to room temperature and then start to cook. So room temperature for the shrimp, toss here, looking good. So now let's move to the next step. So now we're just gonna smash some garlic. And for the herbs, I'm gonna use some parsley. Just giving this a rough chop. I don't waste parsley stems, so I'm giving this a fine dice on the stems. And I'm also gonna use some dill. Now, if you don't have dill, you could use shadow benny. I mean, shadow benny will obviously have way more pungent flavor than dill, but dill real good in seafood. It's a real nice herb in seafood, so if you can get the dill, use it. So as you know, shrimp is something that really don't take long to cook, so this is a real quick thing. 3 to 4 minutes is all we need. So I'm going in with a little bit of olive oil here, a tablespoon of butter, add in my garlic. And we're not trying to get no color on this garlic. We just want it to bloom, as they say. So as soon as it starts to release its aroma, we're ready to go. Going in with my shrimp. Now we're going in with the parsley and the dill. Give this a little toss. And now I just want to finish this off with a little squeeze of lime juice for extra citrus kick. I'm going in with about half a teaspoon of butter again. That is just to add a little extra flavor to the shrimp. And I feel like we're looking like we cooked there, you know. quick thing, as I say, shrimp don't need no set of long cooking. So turning off my heat one time, you see this sort of curl up and thing, you don't know. And that is it, you know, as simple as that. We have our sauteed shrimp ready to go. But unfortunately, as much as I would love to dig into this, I cannot. So, the next best thing, I have somebody else going to come and taste it on camera, and they will give you their honest, and I'm stressing on the word honest opinion of how this tastes.
Yeah, so I hear eatahfood, we do something since 2021? And you invite me for some shrimp here? Haha, nice. Much shrimp to take care of, eh? Let's see how much here. Nice. That should be enough. I'll take a little taste there. But Dari, you ain't no way missing out, you know. You can eat seafood. I ain't need no fork. I have work tomorrow, but Dari, so I'm taking some else for work tomorrow. How you talking about? How much I eat so far? I feel I'm going for more now. But I'll behave myself. Because I'm an Angostura up out.
Now you fix up.
I will definitely fix up. Just two more.
No, go ahead.
Nah, just two more. The rest will work tomorrow. Yes, but how you put your foot in this. Yeah. We call this shrimp again?
I was just going to call that sauteed shrimp. You come up with a name.
Well, boy. So, just good shrimp.
Just good shrimp?
Just good shrimp.
So all you heard from the horse's mouth. I'm not calling Kevin a horse. All you know what I mean. So all you definitely need to try this recipe. I will post a link to the full ingredients and the steps in the video description. So look out for that. Thanks to Angostura for sponsoring this recipe. The orange bitters and the aromatic bitters work real good in this shrimp. I mean, I couldn't taste it, but I just knew it would have worked because I'm a man knowing about flavors and things. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to do so. And of course, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.